In a nutshell, GenoMed4All is proved that technological innovations can be used into clinical reality. We're able to demonstrate how AI models can be integrated into the clinical workflows, bringing tangible results for patients through more personalized and data-driven care, while respecting data privacy regulation through the federated learning approach and all the infrastructure that we build. And these federated models can really offer a more tailored and more effective care for patients.
For me, in my personal view, the most important thing is that although we think that we have everything solved, there are still unmet needs from, in this case, the healthcare context, and the technology can really help on this. We have a platform that is working, that is deployed in different nodes, so we can leverage on this to try to be focused in new unmet needs, as I already said, and try to use this as a basis for new projects and so on.
In all the European projects in which I'm participating, the main problem is to obtain the data, and this is requiring a lot of time. So in the next project, in the future project, I hope that according to the Federated Network we developed during GenoMed4All, we can save some time for obtaining the data. One positive outcome of GenoMed, I hope, will be to shorten this data availability.
I think one of the legacies of GenoMed4All would be the data that they have created and will be accessible. So in that sense, setting some ground for the development of AI and precision medicine that will be used by other projects. So we have created knowledge, we have faced a lot of challenges that can be lesson learned for other people. So it will pave the ground for the future. And that is something that in the different work packages and the different tasks, we all have been facing different things that will be there for other people to learn from our experience.
We have really created a very powerful tool, not only technically in terms of the functionality of the algorithms and the platform and all that, but I think also scientifically and functionally in terms of the wide range of expertise that it has been bring together. So I definitely would like to see, of course, that it continues being implemented in the hospital nodes that already is, and they continue training it with different new data models, different algorithms, and taking advantage of all its full potential that we might not have still seen.
The GenoMed4All platform, by its nature, is not meant or suited to be a commercial platform. What we have agreed on within the consortium was to leave this legacy in the hands of EUROBloodNet and of the clinical center, because it is in their primary interest to foster further research on these diseases and train and develop further solutions. This will be the beginning of a network of federated research in the area of clinical AI, and so we think this is the best achievement we could have for the project.
GenoMed's been an excellent example of a cohesive and collegiate and frankly an enjoyable consortium to work with. So that means we have an innovative spirit, and frankly I think information governance, data protection, ethics approaches need to innovate as well. You can't go back to old methods that were obtrusive when frankly the industries are surging ahead with new methodologies. So keeping abreast is really important. You need to have a good, robust foundation and process for moving forward.